Uh, Good evening, all. Are you audible? Right, guys. And yesterday we started some operators, and in special operator is null operator we discussed. And is null operator, special operator we are using to comparing. Whenever you want to comparing here, okay. So compare your nulls in a table. So there we can use is null operator and how it was comparing we discuss. But guys, here when you are working with null, we are facing one more problem is there. Okay. So we are facing one more problem here. So the problem is what now? Let you observe. And before you want to know about the problem of null, first of all, we should know that. Okay, so what is null means? Simply we can say, so null is a unknown, okay, unknown, or else it is called as a undefined value in database. Okay, no? So null is a unknown or undefined values in database. First thing. And even though null is not is equals to 0. Okay. Next, even though null is not is equals to space also. So if you want to define your null is an unknown value and undefined value. Okay, why it is called unknown undefined means, so the people was not defined exactly your null is comes under which type of category. Either it is a integer category or float category or string category or else a binary category or date or time. Okay, so the kind of exactly specification was not defined by anybody in database. So that's why it is called as a simply unknown undefined. So the people, that means even though the scientist also not defined exactly null is comes under which type of category, because of reason our databases are storing integer type of values, float type of values, string format values, binary format values. So these kind of different formats of data we are storing under nulls and we are comparing in our database, storing under database and comparing here. But whereas come to null is what exactly, and it was, it comes under which type of category that was not defined by the scientist. So that's why the people calling here it is unknown. That means we don't know exactly this null is what exactly, and undefined, and no one defined that what is null in our database. So that's why it is called as an unknown and undefined value. And even though null, suppose if null is equals to 0 means 0 is a value, so that null is also value, and we can use some assignment operator, arithmetic operator, okay, logical operators, comparison operators we can use to comparing or to checking, okay, with values. But the problem is what? No, null is not equals to 0 also. Null is not equals to 0 and not equals to space. Okay, now. So by this reason, okay, null, whenever you want to comparing nulls, compulsory we should use a is keyword. Okay, that is one special operator. So along with that, one more problem we are facing with the null. What is that? Let you see. For example, one question I'm asking. Write a query to display employee name, job, and salary plus commission and salary plus commission from EMP table. EMP table whose employee name is Alan. So carefully observe. This is our question, guys, and I think the question you can understand now. So as per the requirement basis, what I need to display means I want to display name, job, that employee salary and commission, and also salary plus commission, from EMP table whose employee name is Alan. I hope that the question all of you understand. So as per this question, let you come back. First of all, I'm just following my table. Let you see, guys, here. This is your table information. Okay, this is your table information. And from this table, what I need to display? Name. So selected columns. Name. Next job. Next salary. Next commission. Next salary plus commission. EMP table where E name is equals to L. Okay, now I'm going to execute it. Let you see, guys, as per my table, employee name is Alan, employee job is salesman, employee salary 1600, employee commission 300, and employee salary plus commission 1900. So as per your table, employee name, employee salary 16 and commission 3. So total 16 plus 3, that is called salary plus commission 1900. So now, guys, tell me, whatever the query I was written and whatever the output we are going to be seeing here. So is there any problem in this result, or else the result was correct? Come on, guys. Is there any problem we are facing, or it will be correct? Okay, so it was correct. So that means what exactly we are asking, so that was taken. So that means I displayed as per my table whatever we are getting from the table, whatever we are required from the table. So name is taken, job is taken, salary taken, commission taken, and salary plus commission also we calculated. So everything will be clear in this question. Okay, and answer also, correct answer we got it. But suppose, guys, now everything is clear. Now I'm going to changing, employee name is changing. So I was asked here Alan, but now I just changed my employee name is Smith. If I want to take the same information of a Smith employee, let you see how you can write means everything is same. In place of condition, E name is equals to, I'm passing Smith. And after executing this one, as per your table, name is Smith, job is clerk, salary 800, commission is null. So that means Smith commission, what it was there in the table, Smith commission is nothing was there. Null is nothing but nothing. Yes, sir, nothing was there. So you're also nothing. But guys, here salary 800, but commission is nothing. Then I want to expect your salary plus commission. How much I want to expect here? Come on, guys. So how much you want to expect? Yes, we need to expect 800. We need to expect 800. But unfortunately, what it was showing here, nothing. That means null is showing. But tell me 800 plus nothing is equals to 800. But here 800 plus nothing is equals 800 plus nothing is equals to nothing showing. So that means, can you tell me in this output we have a problem? Yes, we have a problem. So the problem I need to overcome. So that means what it was happening, why this problem is occurred means the question is, observe carefully. The note is what here? The note is what now? If any arithmetic operator, if any arithmetic operator if any arithmetic operator is performing some operation along with null then it returns again null only. Okay now? So the point is what now? If any arithmetic operator is performing some operation along with null or with null, operation with null, okay, then it again returns null only. Okay, what is the mean by this statement? Okay, let me come out. Suppose guys, if x is equals to, observe, if x is equals to 1000, if x is equals to some value, okay, right. Now the first question is what now? Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators means what now? Addition, subtraction, multiple, divisions. So now I'm giving here x plus null is there, for example. So that means addition I'm doing now. So once you want to do addition, so whatever the x value was there, that x value I want to substitute 1000 rupees. I need to substitute it in place of x because x is equals to 1000. So 1000 plus null, problem is what now? Again it returns null only. In the same to same, if you use x minus null, so your x value is how much guys here? 1000. So I have to use 1000 minus null, but unfortunately it again returns null only. In the same to same, x into null, okay, then I will go for x value 1000 into null, okay, so we again getting here what now? Null only. Next, x by null, if you substitute your x value 1000 by null, then again it returns null only. So it means what you understand guys here, any arithmetic operator, either addition, subtraction, multiple or division, any arithmetic operation when it was performed, some operation like addition with null only, subtraction with null only, multiplication with null only, and division with null only. So this is actually problem. So that is the reason what it was happening in my query. Okay, what was happening in my query calculation. Here my operation is salary plus commission. This is actually my operation. My operation is what now? Salary plus commission. So now you can see your employee Smith is there. Smith employee salary, how much here? Careful observe, Smith is there. The Smith employee salary, how much here? 800. So now I substituted 800 in this expression. So 800 plus the Smith employee commission is how much here? Smith employee commission is nothing. Smith employee commission is nothing. Nothing means what? No, null. So now I'm passing here null. Then 800 plus null. Okay, again what was happened? It was written again null only. Because of reason here I'm using addition. Okay, addition means arithmetic operator. So what I said, any arithmetic operator, it was going to be performing here. It was going to be performing here. It was going to be performing here. That operation with the null, then it again returns null. So that is the reason here salary plus commission is showing null again. That is the reason your salary plus commission is showing again null only. Okay, na? So this is the problem. So whatever the problem we are going to be facing, guys, here, this problem how to overcome means yes. So this kind of problem, if you face in your database, whenever you want to doing some additions, subtractions, multiple divisions, along with the null, okay, at the time this compulsory this problem we are facing. So when you face this kind of problem, then there is one solution was there. What is the solution means? Okay, to overcome the above problem, then we use a predefined function, in Oracle database. Oracle database is what now? NVL function. So NVL function. NVL stands for null value. NVL stands for null value. Okay, na? So this is one of the function we have it in our Oracle. Whenever you want to facing the problems with null, while you are doing addition, while you are doing subtraction, while you are doing multiplication, while you are doing divisions, at the time this function compulsory we should use it. So that function name is called as a NVL. It stands for null value. So basically this function is having null value function is having two arguments are there. That is called as a expression 1 and expression 2. And this NVL function, how and what purpose means, here observe. This function is used to replace, careful observe the statement, careful observe, to replace a user defined value in place of null. So this NVL function we are used to replace a user defined value in place of null. So that means in place of null we are passing a user defined value. In place of null we are passing a user defined value. Okay, now so that is what it was. So whenever you need to send some value, some user defined value in place of null, so there you can use a NVL function. Okay, now and what I said, this function is having two arguments here. Careful observe. Two arguments. Okay, those are expression 1 and expression 2. Okay, so what is this expression 1 and expression 2? Let you come on. What it was telling, if expression 1 is null, then it returns expression 2 value. But here expression 2 value is what? The user defined value. So whatever the value was sending by user along with expression 2 argument, so that value is written by NVL function. But when it was written by NVL function means whenever your expression 1 is null. Suppose your expression 1 is not null. For example, if your expression 1 is not null, yes, of course, your expression 1 is not null means what? It is a some value. It is a some value. Expression 1 value only. Okay, na? It returns expression 1 only. So if expression 1 is not null, what is the mean by expression 1 is not null means? It means that it is a some value. It means that it is a some value. So whatever the value was there, the value only returns. Whatever the value was there, the value only returns. Okay, so that is what we call. So this is what NVL function. Whatever the 2 arguments are there here, those 2 arguments, how it was working. Let you see some examples practically, you will get some idea. Suppose I'm just passing here. Select NVL of expression 1 place null is there, expression 2 place 0 is there from dual. Okay, what is dual? We will discuss in the coming class. Okay. Now we can see, can I expect now, if I was executed this query, if I'm going to execute this query, what is your return value? Yes, of course, 0. 0 is my return value. Okay. For example, let you see, if I'm passing 100, I'm passing now from dual. Can you expect what is my value now? Yes, of course, it was written 100. Suppose if I'm sending here, select NVL of 0, 100 I was given. Can you expect what is my return value? Can you expect what is my return value? Yes, absolutely correct. 0. Because what I'm telling here, somebody, they're not understanding. If expression 1 is null, then it returns expression 2 value, which is user defined value. But your expression 1 is not null. What it return again? Expression 1 only return. Understand na? Now tell me. So your expression 1 is 0 and 100 I was given. Then what it was returns? Come on. Yes, 0 is returns. Because 0 is not equals to null na. Because 0 is not equals to null na. So that's why it returns 0 only. Okay na? Suppose, are you given like this? Now I'm giving here 100 and here I'm giving some 50. Can you tell me what it was returns? Yes, 100 only returns. Okay. So now NVL function, how it was returning your values. Now all of you get some idea? All of you clear? Come on guys, all of you clear? Right. So now the same thing I was applied in my problem. So this is my problem now. Now how I was applied, you can see. Yes. Okay now you can come out here. So whatever the problem is facing in this calculation of Smith, okay, whatever the salary plus commission is showing null. So now here I want to use this NVL function to overcome this. So salary plus NVL of commission is a column, then I was given 0, user defined value 0 from EMP table where E name is equals to Smith. And let you see. So now whatever I used here NVL function, salary plus NVL of commission comma 0. So now I got it my answer. So now the Smith employee salary 800 and there is no commission. Then salary plus no commission is equals to 800. So now you got it your correct answer. Come on guys, now you got it correct answer. Yes. Okay, na? Right. So this is actually how we got it. But how it was internally working means simple. This is our expression. This is our calculation part. Okay, carefully identify once you look on that. Our expression is salary plus NVL of commission comma 0 I was given. So Smith employee salary, we all of you know 800 plus NVL and Smith employee commission how much here? Nothing. Nothing means what? Null. Null comma 0. Then finally 800 plus. Now we all of you know NVL function, NVL null comma 0. Okay, what it was written? NVL null comma 0 is returning 0 only. As per this, now I want to return here what? 0 only. And finally, the output is what now? 800 only. Okay, so all of you clear it now? Yeah, this is internal execution of your NVL function. Okay, whenever you want to get the null problem, you can use this. Okay, now? Right. This is what we got. So now understand, whenever you want to get the null problems, while you are doing addition, while you are doing subtraction, while you are doing multiplication, while you are doing division with a null, so definitely we will face a problem, and that problem to overcome purpose we are using what now? NVL function we are using. So this is the advantage of annual function, how you can go to use it. So all of you clear it now? Right. So this is annual function working nature. Okay, right. So these are working with null. And finally, the next operator is there. What is the next operator? Next special operator, like. So basically, guys, here like operators we are going to be using. Okay. So when we compare, okay. So comparing a specific character pattern, the character pattern wise, a specific what I'm telling you, a specific character pattern wise, a specific character pattern wise, okay, pattern wise. If you want to compare, if you want to comparing, okay, there we can use what now, like operator. So that means what you say, guys, here. So like operator we are using, to comparing a specific character pattern wise. What is the mean by a specific character pattern wise means? For example, some names are there: Sai, Suman, Scott, Suresh, Smith, etc. In these all names, can you see, guys, here? Every employee, whatever the 5 names I was given, in these 5 names, the first character, all of you common character, that is called a S. So it means that these all people names are starting with the S character. That means starts with the S character. Okay. So this kind of patterns, that means a specific character, like whose name starts with S character, whose name ends with some C character, whose name having in the second position so and so character. So this kind of, that means a specific character pattern based, or character pattern wise, or based on character pattern wise, whenever you want to comparing your condition, so there you have to use a like operator. Okay. So now the question is, suppose my question is, write a query to display employee whose names starts with yes character. Suppose it's a one question is. So for this question purpose, generally we are using, okay, generally we are using the solution is what now? Select star from, suppose my table name, suppose so and so table em, where condition compulsory, where like operator, okay, we are sending where e name like operator of s. So but whenever you want to write like this by using of like operator, and some character was given, what it was happened, guys, it was no result. It is not showing any result. Why, sir? Why it was not showing any result means, the thing and the problem is what now, guys, here. Your question is correct. Your question is correct. But whatever the solution I was given by using of SQL query like S means, it is showing no result. Why? Because in these names, can you clearly identify, in these names we have only S character, or we have some other characters also? Come on, guys. Other characters also there. So, but here guys, we are using in along with the like operator, we mention only character. We mention only character. But here in these expressions, not only S character, along with S characters, some other characters also we have it. It means that whatever the other characters are there here, AI, UMEN, COTT, URESH, MITH. So what, this is what your starting character. Yes, okay. I was given yes also. Okay, fine. I was given yes. So was there. Yes is there. But along with yes, some other characters also there in the expressions. Other characters also there in the expression. So that means that these other characters I need to represent. No? Yes or no, guys? We need to represent other characters or not? Come on. We need to represent other characters also, no? Yes, we represent. But how can you represent it? How can you represent other characters means? Yes. So there, to representation of other characters purpose, we should use what now? Wild card operator should be used. What we should use? Wild card operators we should be used. So that means whenever you want to working with like operator, we must and should be use a wildcard operators also along with like operators. What I said, along with the like operator. This is mandatory. Then only you will get exactly output. Then there are how many types of wildcard operators are there? Means two types. One is called a percentile and one is called as a underscore. One is called as a underscore. So percentile, underscore, these are called as a wildcard operators we called. But what it was represented by percentile, what it was represented by underscore. Okay, let you see. Percentile is represented, guys, remaining group of characters, remaining group of characters in the expression. So now remaining group of characters in the expression. So my started character yes, that I was given yes, but remaining group, that means after selected character, remaining characters what now these are. Okay, so that means this is called as a selected character. This is called as a selected character. And these are called as a remaining group of characters. Okay, let you my point understand now. These are remaining group of characters. So this selected character I was given yes, okay, satisfied. But remaining characters, whatever it is there, AI in Sai expression, UMEN in Suman expression, COTT in Scott expression, URESH in Suresh expression, MITH in Smith expression. So these remaining characters purpose I want to use what now? what I said, percentile. So that means selected character. Okay, selected character is yes, and the remaining characters is represented what now? Percentile. So point is clear, all of you. That's why if I'm giving here like this, only the character like this, it is no result, not showing any result. But when I was given yes percentile, yes, then it will show result. So here means what? Yes means what now? Starting character. Yes, 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 yes. Starting character. Percentile means what now? Percentile means what now? Remaining characters. A, I, U, M, A, N, C, O, T, T, U, R, E, M, N. So each expression remaining character. So now yes is starting and percentile means remaining group of characters in the expression. So that is called as a percentile. Okay now. So that is the point I was giving. Next, underscore. It was just for counting. Okay, counting a single character in the expression. Character in the expression. So now here underscore is counting a single character in the expression. For example, if the question is write a query to display employee whose name is having 3 characters. Whose name is having 3 characters. So in this case, how to write here? Select star from suppose EMP like and 3 characters, each character will count in 1. So 1 underscore, 1 underscore, 1 underscore. That's it. So when I'm giving here 3 underscore, each underscore counting 1 character, it means that in this Sai, Suman, Scott, Suresh, and Smith, which name is having 3 characters here? Sai. So then my output is Sai. Okay, now because each character will be counting 1 underscore is counting each character or single character. So now this is so like Sai. If suppose another name is there, suppose Anu. Okay, suppose another name is like, for example, Ram. So whatever the 3 letters of characters, whatever it was there, that all are we are going to be getting. Okay, now so this kind of okay, the counting of characters purpose you have to use what now? Underscore. So these are the 2 wildcard operators. Okay, we are using among like operator will be like operator will not. Okay, so the point here all of all of clear, right? So this is what now like operator, the explanation and critical explanation I was given. So examples on like I will show you for each pattern wise. One example I will show for each pattern wise. One example I will show.